Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Mong Kok right now, and after we did Israel line in the morning, now it's time for Tsuen line. So according to the caption, angles. What does that mean? Angles. According to another Chinese lesson, everyone, this word, kok, in Chinese, it means angles. So that's why we're gonna find another station with the word angle, which is Lai Chi Kok. So Mong Kok to Lai Chi Kok. You can just treat this one as a double Kok, but always say double something something. It's just boring. So I'm just gonna think of some random captions to make it interesting. Red car 3 here. It's 232. Hopefully there's a spot. Most important is just need to find some spots.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
That is a pretty tasty fillet of fish right there on the poster. And for the M-Train, there's the M-Train. Number 208. Not so sure about this train. Not really remembered it. I only remember A165, A172, so D669. Right. No spots. Oh my gosh, that's a terrible stopping spot. I need a spot. Give me a spot. There's a spot. And stolen. Wow. And that spot also stolen. Wow. I need a spot. Let's get in first. There's a spot. If I get in Prince Edward, for sure I won't be getting any spots because there's so many people. Prince Edward. from third pole. And that is again not a very good stopping spot. This is a short section, so should be able to complete it very quickly. What's the duration, the distances between the stations are not very long for the Tsuen line. Chengsha Wan. Now the next video will involve Chengsha Wan again, so. Another terrible stopping spot. Don't know what's wrong with this M-Train. It's pretty bad, the stopping spot. Chengsha Wan. Lai Chi Kok. Next station, Lai Chi Kok. It's always like LCK station. Lai Chi Kok LCK. This is tough for the abbreviations of the stations. You use the 3 letters of the word. If you have like two letters, then we use 2 words, not 2 letters, 2 words. Then we use the first 2 letters of the first word and the last and the first letter of the second. Like for example, Mong Kok, then we're gonna say M-O-K. But for myself, I prefer using M-K because Mong Kok, M-K, everyone knows that, so it's easier to recognize. And for Eastern actually 4 words, so usually just use the first 3, but I won't do that. I will do ETST. That's easy for us to remember. Lai Chi Kok, we'll wait for this train to leave. That's a very good angle on this train. Because it's angled, so we're gonna do it at an angle. Not gonna look directly, we're gonna do it at an angle here. And angle this way. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. D669, I need to remember that. D669. Click on these videos up top. Subscribe to my bus channel. And my Instagram link in the description. So if you guys want to follow, go check that out. And see you guys next time. Peace.